Hi friends, welcome to the Learning Hub. You are with me Shadashirao. Today's session we are going to learn event handling in RowSet. Now, first of all, I am going to discuss about RowSet. After that, I tell what about the event handling. RowSet is an interface in Java X.SQL package. RowSet is an extension of a result set. So comparatively, a RowSet has a more features than the result set. Now I'm going to discuss about what is the difference between a row set and the result set. A row set is a serializable object, it transferable across network. And coming to the result set, it is not a serializable object. It cannot be transferred across the network. By default, a result set object is a non-scrollable, and coming to the row set, by default, it is the scrollable. And coming to the result set object is valued in a program until the connection is closed, and the result set object and the row set object can be used after a connection is closed. So the row set object is working in both connected and disconnected modes. A result set object doesn't support the event handling, and a row set supports the event handling. Now there is a different types of rosets are available. Those are JDBC roset and cached roset and web roset and join roset and filter roset. These all rosets are interfaces, and each and every third party vendor providing implementation classes for all these rosets. The above five types of interfaces are extended from the rosette. These all the rosettes are extended from means table rosette, cached rosette, web rosette, join rosette, and filtered rosette. All these rosettes are implemented from extended from rosette interface. Sun Microsystems are provided the implementations classes for each of these rosettes. Sun Microsystem is providing each rosette implementation. For example, JDBC rosette JDBC Rosette IMPL and Cached Rosette IMPL and Web Rosette IMPL and Join Rosette IMPL and Filter Rosette IMPL. These are all implementation classes of these rosettes. Sun provides a implementation classes are not recommended to use in the application because these implementation classes are going to be removed from the future classes. Not only Sun Microsystem, all third-party vendors are providing a implementation for all these rosettes. But Sun Microsystems it's not correct to use in development because it's going to be deprecated. Rosettes follows Java Bean specification model. It means there are some setters methods to set a connection properties and also execute the SQL commands. While working in the Rosette program, we no need to write explicitly code for a connection and the statement objects. We call a setter methods to set a connection properties and commands also. While working with the Rosette connection, opening and closings will be done implicitly. Next, I'm going to discuss about event handling in the Rosette. In a Rosette event is generated in the following three cases. The first case is when the cursor is moved. Whenever we are moving to the cursor from one place to another place, means one row to another row, the event handle will be fired. The second case is when a row is changed in the row set. Whenever row is changed in the row set, event handling will be fired. Third case is when your row set is completely changed with a new data. Whenever we are modifying the data from the particular row, automatically the event handling will be fired on that particular row set. To handle the row set events, we have a row set listener. Whenever if you want to handle the row set, if you want to know when the rows, when it is moving, when it is modifying, when it is changing, all these we need to listen. Once row set is there, that is called row set listener. In the row set listener, there is some methods are available. There is a three methods are available. Those are cursor is moved. The cursor is moved means whenever we are moving one row to another row, automatically the cursor mode will be fired. And the next one is row changed. Whenever is row change means cursor mode means whenever we are moving one column to another column, automatically the cursor mode uh, listener will be fired. Whenever row changed means whenever we are moving to the one row to another row, automatically row change method listener is fired. Row set changed, whenever we are changing the data from the row, automatically row set listener will be fired. Now I can explain how the RowSet event handling in the RowSet will be work. I can show practical work how it will be executed in the JDBC code. See here, I am writing a small code. I am writing the small code to RowSet listeners. See here, I am preparing a one class. The class is implementing from the RowSet listener. Whenever we are implementing the class, whenever we are implementing the interface RowSet listener, we need to override the some methods. I am overriding the three method. I am overriding the three methods. The first method is RowSet changed. Whenever the RowSet changed, automatically this event will be fired. Row is changed. Whenever we are moving to the one row to another row, automatically row change event will be fired. If you are coming to the row, cursor is moved. Whenever we are moving the cursor to one row to another row, automatically cursor mode is raised. See here, if you want to go with row set listener, these are the three methods are available. Now I'm writing code here. Whenever we are running this program, I'm writing everything in the constructor, default constructor. Whenever we are running this program, whenever you are creating an object of this class, automatically all these things will be executed. I'm writing all the code in the constructor. Now in every JDBC program, we need to follow the some standard steps. First we need to load the class driver. After that, I'm creating a cached row set. Cached row set by a cached row set CRS is equal to new cached row set. This is the one type of row set is available in the row sets. This is a cached row set is a one type of row set. It is an interface, and the cached row set is an implementation class. Now I am setting username, URL, passwords, and command into the row set. After that, I am executing the row set. See here, crs.set URL. I am setting the URL, and after that username and the password. After that, I am putting add row set listener. Whenever we are adding this row set listener, then only it listens the events. Otherwise it doesn't listen the events. Means add row set listener means we need to listen whatever the events are there in the row set listener. That is the add row set listener this. After that I'm adding the command select star from employee. Now I'm executing the command, and after that, whenever the query is executed, the result will be stored into the CRS row set object. After that, here the row set object is a scrollable object. We can move to any direction or any particular row. Because of rowset is a scrollable by default. Now I am moving crs.last. Crs.last means whenever we are moving the crs.last, automatically the event is fired, row is changed. Automatically row is changed. Now I am incrementing the count. After that, absolute of 3. Whenever you are calling the absolute of 3, it means the row is changing from one row position to another row. Relative means also like that only. These all things fired the event is row changed. Row is changed. Next I am going to doing another operation, update of 2 comma abc. Whenever we are doing the updation, automatically it finds the event row set is changed. Row set changed is means whenever we are updating the data, automatically it finds this event. Whenever we are updating the thing, it is moving to particular column. Means cursor is moved. Cursor is moved means we are moving to the particular column. Finally, I am printing the all the counts when all the listeners will be executed. See, this is the way to handle the event handling in the RowSet listener.
Thank you so much watching this video. Hope this lesson helpful to you. Keep watching our lessons. Keep writing to us. Do not forget subscribe our channel Learning Hub because we have many sessions that would help you to develop our skills, and I will be back soon. Till then, you take care. Bye bye.